So say after me. Natalie, I take you, Robert.
Natalie.
Oh, so sorry. That was my fault.
Hi, Natalie.
I, Natalie. I, Natalie.
You are Natalie.
Everything you see here today is done by Natalie, from the flowers, the decorations, everything, the menus. She can do anything. I won't mention the fact that at 11 o'clock last night we were still icing the cake.
This is the 5th one that my dad has made. Oh, that's it.
It's actually quite good to get your hair and makeup done because it's like you have to sit, like you actually can't go anywhere. It's perfect.
Equipment as well, actually.
Yeah, lightweight equipment, but not lightweight.
Yes, I think you might.
Whoa!
There we go.
It's like so nice. We love you. Don't bring the makeup. I'm so sorry.
Oh, you look so lovely, both of you.
Now go!
You look unbelievable.
Marriage is about giving and taking, and forgiving and forsaking. Kissing and loving, pushing and shoving, caring and sharing, screaming and swearing. About being together, whatever the weather. About being driven to the end of your tether. About sweetness and kindness, and wisdom and blindness. It's about being strong when you're feeling weak. It's about saying nothing when you're dying to speak. It's about being wrong when you know you're right. It's about giving in before there's a fight. Never heeding advice that was always well meant. Never counting the cost until it's all spent. And for you two today, it's about to begin, and for all that the two of you had to put in. Some days filled with joy and some days filled with sadness. Too late you'll discover that marriage is madness.
Must be for your dad.
Oh, yes, okay.
And then the rest are all smaller ones
For
and all
groomsmen.
for the groomsmen.
Perfect,
Yeah,
okay.
that's okay.
Awesome. This will be for Dad.
Right, I've got one here. You're going to be emotional. Right.
Showtime.
Oh dear.
Oh, fantastic, Natalie. That's fantastic.
We're motoring down here.
Well done.
Hi, Natalie.
Robert.
Take you, Robert.
To be my husband.
To be my husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death us do part.
Till death us do part.
According to God's holy law.
According to God's holy law.
And this is my solemn vow.
And this is my solemn vow.
I, Robert, take you, Natalie,
To be my wife.
to be my wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forwards.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death us do part.
To death us do part.
According to God's holy law.
According to God's holy law.
And this is my solemn vow.
And this is my solemn vow.
Robert, I give you this ring as I give you myself, all that I have and all that I am.
Natalie, I give you this ring as I give you myself, all that I have and all that I am.
You make us the groom.
gonna give a kiss?
You do need to practice.
Arguing about violence, stuff.
When you go in the house, you're going to go up the stairs.
We will support each other in the tough times, and we will celebrate the good ones. We will laugh, and we will cry. And as the great Robbie Burns put it, so fair art thou, my bonny lass, so deep in love am I, and I will love thee still, my dear, till all the seas can dry.
Yeah, because it was like, then we had the whole year of my album, and then...
Tell me your thoughts.
Good. Bellissimo.
Especially with a drink.
Please raise your glasses and be upstanding for an infamous toast. There are small ships. There are tall ships. There are ships that sail the seven seas. But the best ships are the friendships. And may they always be. Cheers, everyone.
After raising, being proud parents of two girls, we can now officially invite Rob into the family. Thank you very much for that.